It's game time, ladies and gents, and today I'm opening another box of Leaf Metal 2017 All-American Classic Perfect Game. This has 8 autographs per box. I really enjoyed the first box I opened. Now, it was a mix of people that I was familiar with and people that I was not, but I was really worried that it would be all people that I was not, because I self-admittedly am not, once we get past the top tier of prospects, or second tier, I'd say, when we get deeper in, I don't really know these kids very well. So I was a little concerned, but no, it worked out very well. Ended up with a sweet patch card. Go back and watch that video. These videos are very short because it's nothing but a couple autographs. So still, to save a little bit of time, I went in and cut the box open. I did not look at the cards. I hid them under here like I've been doing. So we're just going to go ahead and start pulling cards out of here and see who we get. First one is a purple parallel, Austin Becker. And that is numbered out of 25. 8 out of 25. I do not know Austin Becker. I don't think. That name sounds a little familiar. I don't think so, though. I don't think. Good start. Purple parallel. Next up is John Malcolm. This is the, I guess what they call the base card. It's not numbered. It's just a nice, clean chrome refractor autograph. Although I think this is another one I'm not familiar with, so we're kind of like 0 for 2 as far as that goes. Autograph number 3 is Blaze Alexander. That is a name I've heard of. I love these wave. I pulled one of these, a pink version, on the last one. The 2 of 2. So I guess this is, I was gonna say yellow, but maybe they're considering that gold because it's numbered really low. 2 of 2. Sweet. And I have heard that name. Did I already say that? I might have already said that. Alright. Next up is Nicholas Schnell. And I have heard this name. Black is the first black. That is 1 of 15. So super low numbered and numbered 1 of. I like that this box is delivering completely different parallels than what I got. Some completely different parallels from the first time around. So that's 4. We're halfway through. Next up is another purple, Luke Bartnicki. I do not know Luke Bartnicki, and that is numbered out of 25. You can scan these. I said in the first video, it says scan this QR code to view player profile, or go to perfectgame.org to learn more about these players if you see somebody that is of interest. Next up, Ian Bedell, blue, 23 out of 30. I like that they use, I don't know if you can see in this light, but the print matches the color of the parallel. So the purple is purple stamped and the blue is blue stamped. Well, I guess then that would tell me the answer to my question about this, because this is gold, because it's gold stamped. And there's black. I think that's a really nice touch. Man, we're almost through already. That's why I hate these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, we only got 2 more. It just goes by so fast. Alright. Tristan Casas. Sweet. Now, here's the best pull of the 2 boxes, and it is number 2 out of 5. Yes, so red. Nice, 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 nice. Noise. Good pull. Alright, sweet. Last one is, it's a thick one. It is a 9 out of 12 crazy patch, Kendall Logan Simmons. Authentic. That patch is nice. 9 out of 12 green parallel, I guess. I don't know Kendall Logan Simmons, though. So that is kind of a bummer, but I can always scan this and find out more about him, which I really should do. Well, I'm going to say these boxes were winners. Especially, I got them both on sale, so the price was right, and it's just a lot of fun to open. And as you saw, it didn't take very long, other than all my extra blabbing. Alright, that's it for these two. I've got more leaf stuff on the way. Once I went into this leaf rabbit hole, I'm kind of keeping on trucking through there. So there's more leaf stuff on the horizon. So watch the channel for that if you're interested in the leaf stuff. I think some people probably really like it and other people maybe don't. I don't know. I just ignored it for the longest time. Then I thought, you know what the hell, let's check it out. So here we are. But there's more to come because I've got a couple more boxes on the way. Keep that in mind if you want to subscribe and be notified of those new videos. Hope everybody's having a great day. Take care of yourself and others, and I will be back soon.